Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris again, and today we have a 2016 Nissan Rogue maintenance light reset. And we're going to be using these buttons over here, the back button, the menu button, the up and down button, and enter as the up and down. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. As you can see, maintenance require. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and go ahead and press back. Okay, keep pressing back until you find this setting. Okay, and when you get here, go ahead and scroll down to maintenance, enter on it, oil and filter, enter on it, scroll down to reset, enter on that, scroll up to yes, enter on yes, and you are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.